Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more content on Forex trading. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my complete Forex trading course. Whether you're a beginner or someone with experience, this course is going to level up your trading game. So let's dive into what you can expect to learn. Course outline. Here's a sneak peek at the course outline that will guide you through the journey of becoming a successful Forex trader. Fundamental analysis of Forex. In this section, we'll cover everything you need to know about the economic factors that drive the Forex market. We'll explore how interest rates, GDP, employment data, and geopolitical events can impact currency movements. You'll understand how to analyze news reports and central bank decisions and use them to your advantage when placing trades. Seasonality reports analysis. Many Forex traders overlook the power of seasonality. In this part of the course, I'll show you how to use seasonality reports to identify trends and patterns in currency pairs. You'll learn how historical price data can help predict market movements during certain times of the year, giving you an edge when planning your trades. Sentiment analysis. Understanding market sentiment is crucial to reading the psychology of the market. In this section, we'll go over how to interpret news, social media trends, and market sentiment indicators. You'll learn how to gauge whether the market is feeling bullish or bearish and how to use that information to make informed decisions. Volume spread analysis. Volume spread analysis is a powerful tool for identifying market manipulation and understanding the true strength behind price movements. In this part of the course, I'll teach you how to analyze price and volume to uncover potential trend reversals or continuations. This technique will help you enter trades with greater confidence and accuracy. How to pass funded accounts. A huge step in your trading career is getting funded, but it's not always easy. In this module, I'll walk you through the process of passing funded account evaluations. You'll learn the best strategies for risk management and how to consistently hit profit targets while keeping your risk in check. We'll go over how to manage your trades and emotions when trading a funded account to ensure you pass with flying colors. Risk management and money management. You've probably heard it a million times. Protect your capital. In this section, I'll break down the core principles of risk and money management. We'll cover how to calculate position sizes, set stop losses, and maintain an appropriate risk-to-reward ratio. I'll also teach you how to scale your profits safely over time while avoiding unnecessary risk. Forex psychology. Lastly, we'll dive into one of the most important yet overlooked areas of trading, Forex psychology. Successful traders aren't just skilled at analysis, they know how to control their emotions and stick to their trading plans. In this section, I'll teach you how to overcome fear, greed, and impatience so you can trade with discipline and consistency. Conclusion. That's a wrap on the course outline. If you're serious about mastering Forex trading and becoming a profitable trader, this course is for you. So whether you're just starting out or you want to fine-tune your skills, I've got you covered. I've packed this course with everything you need to succeed, from solid technical strategies to the psychology that will keep you in the game long-term. If you're ready to level up your Forex game, sign up for the course today. All the details are in the description below. If you have any questions or need support, feel free to contact me directly at ua190344@gmail.com or message me on WhatsApp at +9 233 094 27756. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the course.